Hello, I'm Amy Mullin, audiologist at Austin Regional Clinic, and today I'm here to show you basic cleaning and maintenance for your hearing aids. Here I have an alcohol prep pad. You can purchase these at drugstores and grocery stores, and hearing aids and replacement filters and replacement domes that you likely received during your fitting appointment. The first thing I recommend cleaning is the dome that'll be in your ear all day. I recommend removing that about once a week and cleaning it with the alcohol pad. So you'll open the package and place the dome in the middle of the pad, fold the pad over it and smash it and roll it around, and it'll clean up all parts of that dome. I recommend doing that about once a week and then placing it back on the hearing aid, like so. And I recommend replacing the domes about every 2 to 3 months with the bubble packs that you likely received during your fitting appointment. Then, one other thing for maintenance that's really important is when you remove the dome, this tiny white cup piece. If you ever feel like one of your hearing aids is weak or like it's not working, the first thing to do is change that filter. And those replacements will either look like this, or in some cases, you'll have replacement filters on sticks. So I'll show you this version first. In this version, you'll remove a black piece from the disc. This side will pull out the old one, and this side is the new one. So to remove the old one, you'll place the black peg into the old one, then pull it out, and switch to the new filter. Gently press down, pull it out, and the new one will stay in there. Now, for hearing aids that use this filter system, I'll remove the dome, then pull out a stick. And similar idea here. This side has the new filter on it, and the other side will pull out the old filter. So I'll gently push that side into the old one and pull it out, and then switch to the new one, and same thing, gently push down, pull out the black stick, and the new one will stay in there. And that's how you change a filter. And again, if you ever feel like your hearing aid is weak or like it's not working, changing the filter, the little white cup, is the first thing to try.